Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is the last day of the year. Happy New Year's Eve. Let's get into the overall SPY real quick. So let me pull that up. So if I pull it up to my screen real quick here, I like looking at SPY. Just it tells me the overall condition of the market, how it was today, and then that can reflect my performance or the performance of the small caps as well. So as you can tell, today it kind of did a red to green move, but it couldn't sustain, and it came back down, right? So, and if we look at the daily chart real quick, as you can see, let's see here, yeah. So finished red so far. It makes sense. I mean, low volume as well, just because it's the last day of the year. A lot of traders are on vacation and whatnot. So hopefully early next year we start seeing more momentum as people come back. So today I was watching, let's see here, I was watching HOTH, PED, RLH, and a couple other AIKI and a couple other stocks, and ANTE. Let me pull up 1 second. Let me pull things up real quick. So ANTE, I didn't take a trade. I missed it. I was looking for the break of 210. It kind of like I was too late, just reacted a bit late, and then just took off from there. So I missed it, but obviously it went all the way from 210 to $3 and then came back down. So that was that, but again, no trade on that. So today I traded CLSD, PED, and HOTH. The ones that's worth showing, I think, is GCI. So GCI, I was looking for the trade, one trade at 340. I wanted to pull back and reject and then go up, but I missed it. So it went off without me. So this was the spot I was watching. And then the other spot I was watching was this area right here, 330. I went in at 330, went up. I was expecting it to go all the way up, but it came back down and stopped me out, and then went back up and then took off from there. So just the right idea and wrong timing on this one. And the other one was PED. PED, I saw this picking a momentum. So I was looking for this break right here, 161, and it happened, but it couldn't sustain. So it stopped me out, and then it tanked from there. So a lot of things could not hold up today. Even the biggest gapper today, I believe, was HOTH, right? I had one move on it over here for the breaker 250, and that was it. And a couple others over here, but I mean, it wasn't worth it, to be honest. So today I'm actually finishing down 139. Not bad, so still small loss, right? Still manageable for me. Yeah, so it was a choppy day today. It was kind of expected, right? Just because of how it's the last of the year, people are not here, people are on vacation and whatnot, right? So on the month, if I pull it up real quick, so on the month I'm up $573. So if we look at the P&L, right, we see 146, 190, 237, 289, 18. So on these 2 days, I did good. Like kept my losses small and whatnot, right? But there's other days, right? Like 289, 190, 237. I gotta cut my losses down because even this day right here, 357. If I add up all of my losses, it's probably gonna be around $1,200, $1,500, right? So it's something to consider and look at for me. So I need to see how I can fix that and reduce my losses. I'm pretty sure this adds up to like $1,500 if I count all my losses. So I need to find a way to cut that down, so that way my P&L could be bigger. So, and again, this marks my first year in trading. Okay, and maybe I'll create a video, another video on the year, how it went for me, and at what point I was able to turn around and get better in trading. So Yeah, I'll make one maybe, in next few days or something. So, but overall today was, choppy for sure. Hopefully you guys are green and followed your plan. And make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And that's it from me. I will see you guys next year.